content is produced by Special Learning Needs Consultants, www.slnconline.com.ng, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channels for more tutorials. Let's go learn.
Hi people, my name is Olufemi Esebade from Special Learning Needs Consultant in Nigeria, where you make learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone, especially those with visual impairment. I'm here today in our series of amazing videos. I will be showing you how you can record your computer sound without the external sound from the environment. For instance, maybe you want to record a gaming section, or you want to record a YouTube video without having to download it, or online meetings. So how to do that with Audacity? That's what I am showing you today. So with your Audacity right there on the screen, you've launched it. So you have to go to your preferences, which you can locate under your edit menu, and you click on your preferences. But as a keyboard user, you can just press your Control and letter P. That will launch your preferences. Okay, let's do that. Control P.
Devices preview item focused selected 1 of 15 level 0.
So you can see devices is on the screen. So here under preferences, that's where you make a series of adjustments to your Audacity software. So what we are looking for is devices. So if you are not directly on devices, use your arrow key, that's your up or down arrow key, to locate it, or you can just press your home key and that takes you there because it's the first on the row. So I'm on devices, then I will press my tab key to expand it.
Devices, interface grouping, host, combo box MME collapse alt plus H.
So I'm on the interface host, so I'll use my arrow keys to choose Windows Wasapi.
Windows direct sound, Windows Wasapi.
So after doing that with my arrow key, then I will press my tab key until I land on a recording.
Playback grouping, recording grouping, device, combo box microphone, Realtek audio, collapse alt plus V.
I'm on recording. Here I am to open this drop down with my Alt and down arrow key. Then I will choose loop back.
Expanded.
That's speakers, Realtek loop back.
Device, list, speakers / headphones, Realtek audio, loop back, 1 of 2.
Okay, so I have chosen that. So I will press my tab key until I land on OK button, then I hit the enter key.
Preferences, devices dialog, latency grouping, latency compensation, OK button.
Then space bar. Click on the OK.
Audacity.
Okay, with that done, so I can now start my recording without my voice interfering or any sound in the environment. Only my computer sound will be captured. So let me press my R for recording, then I will go and play a game which will be recorded by the Audacity.
Main panel. Track. Folder view list. Audacity 7 of 27. FF Firefox. FF Freedom Millionaire 1 of 27. A.
This is the game. So is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire is the game that are about to play.
Millionaire unavailable.
So let me try to choose.
Question set dialog. No button alt plus 10. Yes button alt plus Y.
Then enter. Yes.
How many inches are in a foot?
How many inches are in a foot? So let me choose.
A. 120 button.
No.
B. 36 button.
36.
C. 12 button.
12. Enter.
Final answer dialog. Yes button.
My final answer, yes.
Freedom Millionaire. Play area grouping. Lifelines edit red only. How many inches are in a foot?
I got that. Correct. I've gotten that.
List 108.
I've gotten that. So, go on.
Freedom Millionaire. Play area grouping. Edit red only. Which of the following cartoon characters is yellow?
Which of this character in the cartoon is yellow?
A. And kill button.
Let me just choose this.
Final answer dialog.
Final answer, yes.
Freedom Millionaire. Play area grouping. Lifelines edit red only. Which of the following cartoon characters is yellow?
I missed it. I missed
Answer
it.
dialog. OK button.
I missed it.
Answer dialog. OK button. Graphic. I'm sorry, that was not the correct answer. The correct answer was B. Homer Simpson.
Okay. So I missed it. So let me go stop my recording. Let's see what we have there. Let me close that. Okay. Let me go to my recording.
Play again.
I'm not playing again. Let me go to my.
Freedom Millionaire. Audacity row 1 column 3.
Then press spacebar to stop.
Audacity.
Let me press the spacebar to play the recording so far, and you realize that my voice will not be recorded. Everything I'll be saying.
Track folder view list. Audacity 1 of 27. F. Firefox. F. Freedom Millionaire 1 of 28. Freedom Millionaire unavailable. Question set dialog. No button hold plus 10. Yes button hold plus Y. Freedom Millionaire. How many inches are in a foot? A. 120 button. B. 36 button. C. 12 button. Final answer dialog. Yes button hold plus Y.
You can see that my voice is not heard in the recording at all. So you too can accomplish the same if you can follow this video keenly. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so, and please click the like button if you feel that this section is worth your while, and share it among your social media channel. Goodbye.
This content was put together by Special Learning Needs Consultant, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. Also, don't forget to visit our website for information, articles, and helpful resources on www.slnconline.com.ng.